How many reports are needed to delete an Instagram account? So let us go ahead and open our Instagram account while I walk you through how many reports that you need. To report someone on your Instagram, all you have to do is tap on the search icon and search for the user ID of the person that you want to report. Once you have found the account, simply go ahead and tap on the three-dot icon at the top of the screen. So from this, you have to go ahead and select the option of report and select any one of these options that is suitable to your condition. So right here, I'm just going to do mine, then just tap on next. You can also select to block or restrict. Now moving on to the next part about how many reports you actually need. You'll be needing at least of 3 or more reports. You can share this account with your friends or family and ask them to report as well. But keep that in mind that you will need at least of 5 minutes of gap between each report. Then, once you do that, you'll be able to successfully delete an Instagram account. We hope that this video helped you a lot regarding all of the queries and questions and how to report an account. So go ahead and give these steps a try and remember that you'll be needing at least of 3 reports for mass reports. So go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for watching.